Welcome to all students. In the last lecture, we have seen the amphoteric nature of water based on Bronsted-Lowry theory. In that theory, we studied how water is amphoteric in nature. Then, we have studied the Lewis concept for the acids and bases. In that definition of acids and bases according to the Lewis theory. Then, we have studied the ionization for acids and bases. In that ionization of strong acids, strong base, weak acids and weak base we have studied. Now in this lecture we have to study the dissociation or ionization constant for the weak acid and weak base, and also we have to study the Olsword dilution law for the weak acids and weak bases. Let us start the dissociation or ionization constant for the weak acids. Here, in the dissociation and ionization, both found the ions. Therefore, here consider the weak acids like Ha, which ionizes in its aqueous solution. The example for the weak acid is Ha. It ionizes into H plus aqueous plus A minus aqueous. Here, Ha is partially dissociated, so it represented by double arrow. And this is the equilibrium reaction. To get the equilibrium constant by applying the law of mass action to this equilibrium reaction at equilibrium constant K, where K is the dissociation or ionization constant for the weak acid. Therefore, this dissociation constant for the weak acid is equal to product upon reactant. In this equilibrium reaction, this Ha is the reactant and H plus A minus are the products. Therefore, here Ka is equal to product upon reactant, that is concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha, and this is the dissociation constant for the weak acid. That means Ka is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha. Then dissociation constant for the weak base. Similarly, in case of weak acid, such as in case of weak base, consider the weak base like BOH, which dissociate or ionized in its aqueous solution. So, the equilibrium reaction BOH, it gives what? B plus aqueous plus OH minus. Here, BO is the weak base, so it partially dissociated and represented by the double arrow. Therefore, to get the dissociation constant for the weak base by applying the law of mass action to this equilibrium reaction, that is BOH dissociate into B plus OH, then we will get Kb is equal to product upon reactant. In this reaction, BOH is the reactant and B plus OH minus are the product. So, the Kb is equal to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of BOH, and this is the dissociation constant for the weak base. In this way, the dissociation for weak acid and weak base are defined as the equilibrium constant is obtained by applying the law of mass action. मग equilibrium constant कोणते तर Ka for weak acid and Kb for the weak base, and this is about the concept of dissociation or ionization constant for the weak acid and weak base. Then next, the Olsword's dilution law for the weak electrolyte like weak acids and weak bases. In 1888, F.W. Olsword put forward his theory based on the concept of acid and bases according to Arrhenius theory. This Oswald solution law is only applicable for the weak electrolyte only. Therefore, the statement for the Oswald dilution law in case of weak electrolyte is that the degree of dissociation, that is alpha, for the weak electrolyte is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration or directly proportional to the square root of volume of the solution. That means here this is the only statement for the Oswald dilution law in case of weak electrolyte. But what is meant by electrolyte? The electrolyte, the substance which dissociate partially in its aqueous solution, are called as the weak electrolyte. What are those electrolytes? The weak acids and weak bases are the examples for the weak electrolyte. Therefore, here we will see the Oswald's dilution law for the weak acid. Here, consider the 1 mole of weak acid like HA we dissociate partially in its aqueous solution. Therefore, HA dissociate into H plus A minus. Then this is the equilibrium reaction. To this equilibrium reaction, by applying the law of mass action at equilibrium constant K is given by K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of HA. Therefore, here K is equal to product upon reactant, and this is the equilibrium constant for the weak acid. This is the important equation to get the derivation for the Oswald dilution law in case of weak acid. Then here, suppose this K is a dissociation constant of weak acid. Then alpha is the degree of dissociation for weak acid. Phi is the total volume of the solution. Suppose here 1 mole of weak acid HA initially present in phi dm cube of solution. At equilibrium, the fraction dissociated would be alpha, and the fraction of an acid that remains undissociated would be 1 minus alpha. Therefore, here by making table HA aqueous at equilibrium or it dissociate into H plus A minus. Therefore, initial mole H plus 0, A minus 0, where HA is the 1. Then amount present at equilibrium H plus alpha, A minus alpha, and the HA is 1 minus alpha. Then concentration at equilibrium, value of H plus alpha upon V, then value of A minus is alpha upon V, and the HA is 1 minus alpha upon V. This is the value of H plus, then A minus, and this one HA. Therefore, here, thus at equilibrium, value of concentration of HA is equal to 1 minus alpha upon V mole per dm cube, and the value of concentration of H plus and the concentration of A minus is equal to alpha upon V mole per dm cube. Substituting this value in the equation, that is what equilibrium constant for weak acid, like the K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of HA. Therefore, by substituting this value in equation, this one will get alpha upon phi into alpha upon phi divided by 1 minus alpha upon phi. Then we will get Ka is equal to alpha upon phi into alpha upon phi divided by 1 minus alpha upon phi. Here alpha into alpha, alpha square, upon phi into phi, phi square, divided by 1 minus alpha into phi. Then here आता याची व्हॅल्यू कशी ती पहा, अल्फा स्क्वेअर आला इथं आणि डिवायडेड बाय काय आला या ठिकाणी फी स्क्वेअर इंटू हा जो फी आहे तो वरती गेला आणि डिवायडेड बाय 1 मायनस अल्फा आला. मग हा एक फी आणि हा फी एक कॅन्सल झाला आणि मग राहिलं काय या ठिकाणी अल्फा स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय 1 मायनस अल्फा आणि या ठिकाणचा एक फी राहिला तो या ठिकाणी गेला. म्हणजे काय झालं, अल्फा स्क्वेअर अपॉन 1 मायनस अल्फा इंटू फी. दिस इज व्हॉट K is equal to alpha square upon 1 minus alpha into phi. ही व्हॅल्यू आहे. आणि मग Ka is equal to आता सपोज 1 minus alpha is equal to is very small and is equal to 1, therefore it is neglected, and then k is equal to alpha square upon phi. आता k is equal to alpha square upon phi आहे, तर alpha square is equal to काय होणार आहे, k into phi, म्हणजे हा तिरकस गुणाकार झाला इथे. आणि मग या ठिकाणी अल्फा स्क्वेअर इंटू के इंटू phi आणि ओनली अल्फा, दॅट मीन्स अल्फा इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ के इंटू phi. या ठिकाणी काय आहे, 1 upon phi that is equal to c, concentration is equal to 1 upon phi, therefore k is equal to alpha square into c, and alpha square is equal to k upon c, and the alpha is equal to square root of k upon c. या ठिकाणी alpha is equal to k into phi or alpha is equal to square root of k into k upon c. What is meaning of this equation? Therefore the alpha is the degree of dissociation. Therefore this degree of dissociation for the weak base is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration or directly proportional to the volume of the solution containing 1 mole of weak acid. This is a statement for the Ostwald dilution law in case of weak acids. हा statement आहे, degree of dissociation is directly proportional to this, degree of dissociation is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration or directly proportional to the square root of volume of the solution containing 1 mole of weak acid. अशा प्रकारचा स्टेटमेंट लिहायचं. आणि हा क्वेश्चन 3 मार्कासाठी येतो. डिराइव द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर ओस्वर्ड्स डायल्यूशन लॉ इन केस ऑफ वीक ऍसिड. एकदम सिंपल इक्वेशन आहे 3 मार्कासाठी. 1 मार्काचं स्टेटमेंट असेल आणि 2 मार्काला डेरिव्हेशन. हे शेवटी हे डेरिव्हेशन आपल्याला मिळालं पाहिजे. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सिमिलरली Ostwald dilution law in case of weak base. Suppose here consider the weak base like BOH. We dissociate partially in its aqueous solution, so BOH dissociate into B plus plus OH minus in its aqueous medium, and this is called as the equilibrium reaction. Then by applying the law of mass action to this equilibrium reaction, at equilibrium constant Kb is given by concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of BOH. Therefore here what, Kb is the dissociation constant for the weak base is equal to product upon reactant, and therefore Kb is equal to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of BOH, where this Kb is the dissociation constant for the weak base. If alpha is the degree of dissociation of weak base, phi is the total volume of the solution. Suppose 1 mole of base BOH initially present in volume decicubic meter, phi dm cube of solution, then at equilibrium the fraction dissociated would be alpha, and the fraction of an base, which base, weak base, remains undissociated would be 1 minus alpha. Then by making table, BOH dissociate into B plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. And similarly, in case of weak acid, such as weak acid, the initial mole of B is 0 and OH is 0. But in case of BOH, 1. Amount present at equilibrium B plus alpha and OH minus value किती आहे, alpha. Therefore the BOH is 1 minus alpha. Then concentration at equilibrium per mole, alpha upon phi and alpha upon phi is a value of B plus and OH minus, and the 1 minus alpha upon phi is the value of BOH. Therefore, thus at equilibrium, concentration of BOH is equal to how much? 1 minus alpha divided by phi mole per dm cube, and the concentration of B plus and concentration of OH minus is equal to alpha upon phi मोल पर DMQ. आता ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे, बाय सबस्टिट्यूटिंग दिस व्हॅल्यू इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1, कोणतं इक्वेशन नंबर 1 आहे, Kb इज इक्वल टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ B प्लस इंटू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ OH मायनस डिवायडेड बाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ BOH. या ठिकाणी ही किंमत आपल्याला ठेवायची, काय ठेवायची, Kb इज इक्वल टू B प्लस ची किंमत किती आहे, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ B प्लस ची अल्फा अपॉन व्ही आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ OH मायनस ची अल्फा अपॉन व्ही आणि BOH ची 1 मायनस अल्फा अपॉन व्ही. ही आपण या ठिकाणी व्हॅल्यू ठेवल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय मिळते पहा, बाय सबस्टिट्यूटिंग दिस व्हॅल्यू वी विल गेट Kb इज इक्वल टू अल्फा अपॉन व्ही इंटू अल्फा अपॉन व्ही डिवायडेड बाय 1 मायनस अल्फा अपॉन व्ही. देन अल्फा इंटू अल्फा अल्फा स्क्वेअर आणि व्ही इंटू व्ही स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय 1 मायनस अल्फा अपॉन व्ही. आता पहा या ठिकाणी इक्वेशन थोडं विस्तृत केलं मी, या ठिकाणी अल्फा स्क्वेअर आहे आणि डिवायडेड बाय काय घेतला हा, या ठिकाणी व्ही स्क्वेअर घेतला इंटू हॉट, हा जो व्ही तो या ठिकाणी आला आणि डिवायडेड बाय 1 मायनस अल्फा. मग हा व्ही गेट कॅन्सल, देन व्हॉट विल रिमेन, ओनली व्ही इज रिमेन. देअरफॉर 1 मायनस हा अल्फा इंटू व्ही राहिला या ठिकाणी एकच व्ही आणि या वरचा जो आहे तो अल्फा स्क्वेअर. Therefore, the value of Kb is equal to alpha square. Here is alpha square. Then 1 minus alpha into phi. This is the value for the Kb. Then this 1 upon phi. आता या ठिकाणी बघा 1 minus alpha is very very small. Therefore, it is equal to 1. Then we will get what? Kb is equal to alpha square upon phi. आणि मग या ठिकाणी काय होईल, अल्फा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू केबी इंटू व्ही, अल्फा स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू केबी इंटू व्ही. ओनली अल्फा इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ केबी इंटू व्ही. देन हियर केबी इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर सी. हाऊ दिस व्हॅल्यू इज कम, पहा केबी इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर सी. Since 1 upon v is equal to c, therefore kb is equal to alpha square into c, and then alpha square is equal to kb upon c, and therefore only alpha is equal to square root of kb upon c. And therefore this alpha is the degree of dissociation. Here alpha is the degree of dissociation. Therefore this degree of dissociation for the weak base is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration or directly proportional to the square root of its volume of the solution containing 1 mole of weak base. Alpha is a degree of dissociation. Therefore, this implies that the degree of dissociation for the weak base is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration or directly proportional to the square root of volume of the solution containing 1 mole of weak base. This is a statement for Ostwald dilution law for the weak base. Same type of question that is from weak base, such as weak acid. The question will be asked. Which type of question will be asked? Derive the expression for Ostwald dilution law in case of weak base. अशा प्रकारचा क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला 3 मार्काला मिळेल. At that time we have to write the statement for the Ostwald dilution law and then this derivation, that is alpha is equal to square root of kb into v or alpha is equal to square root of kb upon c. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्हाला इक्वेशन लिहावं लागेल 3 मार्कासाठी. This is about the today's lecture. In the next lecture we will see the definition of pH, definition of pH, then relation between pH and pH, and also problem based on the Ostwald dilution law or the relation between degree of dissociation and the Ostwald dilution law. Thanks for watching.